In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up calling in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to enhance your communication capabilities, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process so you can easily integrate calling into your daily workflow. To begin, let's head over to the HubSpot User Guide. User Guide. This is typically your go-to resource for any feature or functionality within HubSpot, providing detailed instructions and support. You can access this by navigating to the HubSpot platform, ensuring you're in the right environment to manage your tools effectively. Once you're in the User Guide, you'll want to look for the section specifically related to calling. This area of the guide will outline all the necessary steps and considerations for setting up this feature. It's laid out to make things straightforward, so even if you're new to the feature, you'll find it approachable. The next step is to click on the calling feature itself. This action will usually direct you to the relevant interface where all your calling configurations and options are accessible. It's important at this stage to familiarize yourself with this interface. Take a moment to explore the various options available. Whether you're planning on making calls directly from HubSpot or integrating it with your existing phone systems, understanding this layout can significantly improve your efficiency. After that, locate and click on Learn how to unlock calling. Typically, this option is prominently displayed and acts as a gateway to a deeper understanding of HubSpot's calling function. By clicking this, you'll be guided through further instructions and potentially various pricing options if HubSpot requires an upgraded plan for advanced calling features. Throughout this process, keep in mind a few best practices. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will directly impact call quality. Also, verify that any software or hardware you intend to use is compatible with HubSpot. This simple step can save you considerable time and troubleshooting later on. Finally, remember that setting up calling in HubSpot is designed to streamline your efforts in connecting with clients and colleagues. If at any point you feel unsure or if something doesn't seem right, HubSpot support is an excellent next port of call. Their customer service is generally knowledgeable and ready to assist, ensuring you can make the most out of your calling feature without unnecessary hurdles. With these steps, you're now equipped to set up calling in HubSpot efficiently and effectively. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and manageable, enabling you to enhance your communication efforts with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy calling!